हॅलो, माझा आवाज येतोय?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sorry from my side. Okay, the network issue. So we just start.
हॅलो
हा, हॅलो, बोला.
सर, ऍडमिशन घेताना ते ती भरलेली फी ती पण धरायचं ते डिपॉझिट
3000 डिपॉझिट नाही भरायचं. 3000 डिपॉझिट सोडून तुमची कॅटेगरी कुठली आहे?
एनटीसी
हा, एनटीसी. तुमची 10,000 काहीतरी फी आहे समथिंग ना. तर 3000
13,000
सोडून.
का काहीतरी सांगितलेलं बा.
अरे मग तेच की 10. मी 3000 डिपॉझिट सोडून बोलतोय ना रे.
चल.
ते 3000 सोडून द्यायचं. 3000 डिपॉझिट तुम्हाला रिटर्न येईल ना. ते पावती जपून ठेवायची फक्त डिपॉझिटची. त्यासोबत समजा डिपॉझिट प्लस 10,000 प्लस 3000 13,000 समथिंग 150 काहीतरी फी तुमची, बरोबर आहे?
हा,
तर ती 10,150 तुम्ही भरली का तेवढी भरायची फक्त 10,150. 3000 तुम्ही
नंतर
already-
पण 1,000 रुपये भरलेले ते स्कॉलरशिपच्या टायमाला
अं,
ते फक्त टाकू ना मॅसेज मध्ये.
हा, बाकीचे कधी भरणार आहे सलगर?
आता 30 तारखेत भरतो की.
हा, 30 तारखेला भरून टाका ती फी.
हम्म.
ओके, चालेल. Okay. Last time we discussed about the gamma function. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In that gamma function, you have see some concept behind this. Gamma function is nothing but roll number 10. Okay, no problem. Roll number 16 तो नहीं. Roll number 21. Roll number 21. मागच्या लेक्चरला कोण कोण ऑप्शन होतं रे? काय वेळ घालता का फालतू या मुलांना?
Sir, me.
लेक्चर करायचं असलं तर करा, नसलं करायचं नका करू. मी माझं शिकवतो, आपलं आपलं जातो. तुम्हाला करायचं करा, नका करू. काय घेणं नाही मला तरी. सो वी स्टार्ट विथ द नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल. रोल नंबर एक्झाम्पल नंबर 10. काढून द एक्झाम्पल नंबर 10. काय वर टाइमपास चाललाय तुमचा काय माहिती. बघा आमचं तरी roll number example number 10. So you all it. Integration 0 to 1 x log x bracket cube dx. Okay, the solution integration, let I is equal to integration 0 to 1 integration 0 to 1 x log x bracket cube dx. So I equal to, just separate this part, integration 0 to 1, just we separate the log x equal to log x raised to 3 into x cube dx. Now we try to write down in terms of gamma function. What is the gamma function? Is a gamma n is equal to integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus x into x raised to n minus 1 dx. So we got that. Try to write down that already x is there. So e raised to something. So we just put that. What do you put? So we know that the result is the third last example. What is the last type? integration 0 to 1 log of 1 upon x raised to n minus 1 dx. So it's how to solve this example? We just put that log of 1 upon x equal to t, or log x equal to minus t, or x equal to e raised to minus t. We have just substituted any one of these. So what is this? Log x is there. So what is substitute? So put log x equal to minus t. So we got that x equal to e raised to minus t. X equal to e raised to minus t. Okay, so just we have differentiate dx equal to minus e raised to minus t dt. As variable change, limit also changes. So what is the limit? We got the limit changes x to t 0 to 1. When you put x equal to 1, when you put x equal to 0, log 0 is infinity. When you put the x equal to 1, log 1 is 0. So we got the limit I equal to integration from infinity to 0. So log x equal to what? Minus t bracket cube x equal to what? E raised to minus t bracket cube dx equal to minus e raised to minus t dt. Now just combine this term I equal to minus sign it outside, integration infinite to 0. Here is just take that differentiate means sorry, just we take that power. What is the minus 1 cube? Is minus 1 into t cube. Here is e raised to minus 3t, and here is e raised to minus t. But we need the limit in terms of what? 0 to infinity. So adjust this minus sign inside the bracket. What do you get that term? I equal to, by using the property of definite integral, when you adjust this minus sign inside the, what do you get the answer? Integration 0 to infinity. This is the minus sign is already there. So e raised to minus 3t into e raised to minus t by laws of indices, Ghatankach niyam. What do you get the answer? E raised to minus 4t dt. Now just we are rewrite this equation I equal to minus integration 0 to infinity is e raised to minus 4t into t cube dt. So this look like lecture call करूँगा मला मेल आलाच नाहीये. कुठला मेल येणार आहे? BT.com का? कंपनीचं नाव काय? BT. ओके, मी चेक करतो. हा, ब्रिटिश टेलिकॉमचं ना? ओके, मी चेक करतो आणि तुला रिप्लाय देतो. ओके, चालेल. So we just how to solve now? Now we try to convert this example in terms of first type. What is the first type? I equal to, we just put that. Yes. What is substitute? Is 4t equal to u. 4t is equal to u. So t is equal to u by 4. So dt is equal to du by 4. As variable change, limit also changes if possible. So 0 to t to u, 0 to infinity, 0 to infinity. So just we have put each and every one, we got the required one. We get the answer I equal to integration minus sign 0 to infinity e raised to u, t is equal to what? U by 4 bracket raised to cube dt is equal to du by 4. So just we got that I equal to minus integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus u is 1 upon 4 cube u cube 1 upon 4 du. Just combine all four, we got that I equal to minus 1 upon 4 raised to 4 cube 1 height 1 integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus u cube du. So what is the n minus 1? N minus 1 equal to 3. This implies n equal to 4. So I equal to minus 1 upon 4 raised to 4 is what? 64. 64 4 cube is 64. 4 cube is 64. What is the 4 raised to 4?
256.
256. Okay. Integration 0 to infinity instead of this Instead of this term, we write down that gamma 4. Okay, what is the gamma 4? What is the gamma 4? Gamma 4 is 3 factorial. What is 3 factorial is? 6 minus 6 divided by 256. When you just simplification, what do you get the answer? दोन्ही भाग जातो बरोबर, सॉरी दोन्ही भाग जातो, दोन्ही भाग गेला तर आन्सर काय? -3 divided by 120 4 128. Okay, this is your answer. Okay, we see the third type of example. Write down. झालंय? हॅलो, येऊन झालंय
नाही
का?
सर,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
आता इथे सपोज जर असं असतं एक्झाम्पल, x इंटू लॉग ऑफ, एक्झाम्पल कसं असतं, x इंटू लॉग ऑफ 1/x असतं, तर काय पुट केलं असतं तुम्ही? लॉग ऑफ 1/x इक्वल टू काय पुट केलं असतं?
T.
प्लस टी. चेंजेस पहा काय आहे? लॉग 1/x इक्वल टू टी, log x इक्वल टू मायनस टी आणि x इक्वल टू e to मायनस टी. दॅट द चेंजेस. दॅट द चेंजेस. एक्झाम्पल कशा पद्धतीने असेल त्यानुसार आपल्याला चेंजेस करावं लागेल. ओके, सो just we got the next one. Eleventh one. Integration 0 to 1 x divided by square root of log of 1/x dx. Solution. I equal to integration 0 to 1 x divided by square root of log of 1 upon x dx. So what is substitute? What is substitute?
log
Yes.
1 upon x equals to t.
Okay. So integration 0 to 1, just we got the log of 1 upon x raised to 1 by 2 means how varti ala na raised to minus 1 by 2. Here is x dx. So just we have put that log of 1 upon x is equal to t is equal to t, that x equal to e raised to minus t. So this implies log x equal to minus t. So as variable change, limit also changes. What is the limit? Changes to x to t, 0 to infinity. Sorry, x equal to what? X equal to what? 0 to 1. When you put x equal to 0, when you put x equal to 0, when you put x equal to 0, काय भेटला? x जर 0 टाकला, so 1 upon 0 infinity. 1 upon 0 infinity. What is the log infinity? Infinity. And here is x equal to 1, 1 upon 1, 1. Log 1 is 0. Okay, just we have put that value I equal to, sorry, with the difference it also, na? So just take the derivative, dx equal to minus e raised to minus t dt. So just differentiate, we got that I equal to integration 0 to 1. Limit also changes. What is the limit? Infinity to 0. Log 1 by x equal to t raised to minus 1 by 2. X equal to e raised to minus t. Dx equal to minus e raised to minus t dt. Just combine all the term. I equal to minus integration infinity to 0. E raised to minus 2t and t raised to minus 1 by 2 dt. So I equal to हा minus and आतमध्ये multiply करा, we got the 0 to infinity e raised to minus 2t, t raised to minus 1 by 2 dt. Now just we have put the value. To t equal to u, t equal to u by 2, dt equal to du by 2. Okay, as variable change, limit also changes if possible. T to u, 0 to infinity, 0 to infinity. Okay, we got the answer. I equal to integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus u into t equal to what? U by 2 raised to minus 1 by 2 du by. So I equal to integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus u raised to minus 1 by 2 into 1 upon 2 raised to minus 1 by 2 1 by 2 du. So just simplification, we got that 1 upon 2 raised to 1 by 2 integration 0 to infinity. हाँ चालू है, नेट बंद झालं, बंद करतो. तुम्हाला दिलं नव्हतं एक दिवशी. Integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus u raised to minus 1 by 2 du. Now just we got the n minus 1 equal to minus 1 by 2. This implies n equal to plus 1 by 2. So we got that I equal to 1 upon square root of 2 into gamma 1 by 2. So what is the answer of I is equal to? I equal to root pi by 2 or root pi by 2. This is your answer. प्रमोद कोरके, रोल नंबर 50. प्रमोद कोरके, रोल नंबर 50. आपका रोल नंबर 50 प्रमोद कोरके, आपका.
येस सर
कसं काय लेक्चरला किती वाजता आलाय?
सर मी बाहेर पडलेलो पहिल्यांदा होतो की.
मग परत घेतलंच नाही आतमध्ये. हा रोल नंबर
रेंज
50 रोल नंबर 54.
जॉईन झालं लगेच.
बर रोल नंबर 54 लवटन निलेश.
सर होतो सर फोन आला.
बर फोनच अटेंड करायचं, लेक्चर कशाला करायचं. प्रथमेश सुरोसे रोल नंबर 68. तुमचं काय रोल नंबर 68 प्रथमेश सुरोसे, तुमचा काय प्रॉब्लेम झाला, कशाला आला तुम्ही.
टीसीला फोन केलता सर.
हा शिष्यांना फोन केलता का.
ती पावतीची फोटो पाठवा सांगितले सर.
बर
झालं नेक्स्ट
okay. So next example, 12th one. We see the in general example. Evaluate integration 0 to infinity x raised to a upon a raised to x dx. X raised to a upon a raised to x. So what is I equal to integration 0 to infinity x raised to a upon a raised to x dx. Now just we have simplification I equal to integration 0 to infinity. आपल्याला स्टँडर्ड रिझल्ट मध्ये काय पाहिजे रे. व्हॉट यू नीड इन स्टँडर्ड रिझल्ट. इंटिग्रेशन 0 to infinity e raised to minus x into x raised to n dx. जर कंपॅरिझन करायचं गेलं तर एक्झाम्पल मध्ये कंपॅरिझन करायचं गेलं तर इंटिग्रेशन 0 to infinity ह्या ठिकाणी काय दिलंय a raised to minus x into x raised to a dx. सो x raised to a ला ह्या x raised to n जसा तसा आहे, पण इथे आहे का, इथे a च्या जागेवर काय पाहिजे, e पाहिजे. हाऊ वी रिप्लेस instead of a by e, so we got that a raised to minus x into x raised to a dx. Just simple way, we just substitute that a raised to x equal to e raised to t. जर a raised to x जर वरती असेल, जर असं असेल a raised to x into x raised to a असेल, जर इथं प्लस असेल तर रिप्लेस काय करायचं ए रेस टू एक्स इक्वल टू ई रेस टू मायनस टी. आलं लक्षात? दॅट द टू सबस्टिट्यूशन. फर्स्ट सबस्टिट्यूशन इज ए रेस टू एक्स इक्वल टू ई रेस टू टी, कारण तो डिनॉमिनेटर फॉर्म मध्ये आहे. तो डिनॉमिनेटर फॉर्म मध्ये आहे आणि हा कुठल्या फॉर्म मध्ये आहे? न्यूमरेटर फॉर्म मध्ये आहे. सो दॅट द सबस्टिट्यूशन. सो जस्ट वी टेक दॅट सबस्टिट्यूशन, simplification, what derivative, better we can take log on both sides. So we got that x log a is equal to t log e. So x equal to t upon log a. So just we are differentiate, we know the value of x. So derivative of dx equal to dt by log a. As variable change, limit also changes if possible. प्रत्येक वेळेस चेंज होतील असं नाहीये काही, पण काही वेळेस चेंज होऊ शकतं. x to t, x equal to 0 to infinity. When you put x equal to 0, t equal to 0. When you put x equal to infinity, infinity into log a is infinity. So you got that I equal to integration 0 to infinity is e raised to minus x. What is that? E raised to minus t into x raised to x is called t upon log a raised to a dx equal to dt by log a. Now just simplification, we got the answer I equal to 1 upon log a raised to a plus 1. हा log a raised to a आणि हा log a raised to 1 combine करा indices नुसार. So we got that integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus t t raised to a dt. So this is the standard form. This is the standard form. हा काय आला? स्टँडर्ड फॉर्म आहे. व्हॉट डू रिप्लेस? व्हॉट डू रिप्लेस? n minus 1 equal to n minus 1 equal to yes, n minus 1 equal to a. This implies n equal to a plus 1. So instead of this integral part, what do you written as? Instead of this integral part, what do you written as? 1 upon log of a raised to a plus 1. So instead of this integral part, what do you written as? क्या इंटीग्रल जागेवर काय लिहिणार? क्या इंटीग्रल जागेवर काय लिहिणार? इंटीग्रल काय लिहिणार? gamma of a plus 1. Gamma of a plus 1. So we got the answer I equal to gamma of a plus 1 divided by a plus 1 times log a plus 1 times log a. Okay, log a raised to a plus 1. This is your answer. So this is in general result. So from this same example, just we change the value integration 0 to infinity. Instead of this a, we just put that x raised to 4 upon 4 raised to x. Solve करू शकतात? Hello. काय रिप्लेस करणार? काय रिप्लेस करणार?
4 raised to
equal to e raised to t. 4 raised to x equal to e raised to t. Answer is same. फक्त a च्या ठिकाणी 4 टाका. So answer is gamma of 5 divided by log 4 raised to 5. Okay, जे काय असेल आन्सर 4 factorial upon 5 into log 4. Okay, this is your answer. The next 14 one, integration 0 to infinity x raised to 7 upon 7 raised to x dx. So just we have solved. We got that gamma 8 divided by 8 into log 7. Gamma 8 into log 7. So 7 factorial divided by 8 log 7. जी का तुमचा आन्सर असेल ते लिहून द्या. युअर आन्सर राईट. अथर्व काय प्रॉब्लेम आहे? उशिरा का जॉईन केला अथर्व देशपांडे? हॅलो.
सॉरी सर.
नाही, इट्स ओके, सॉरी वगैरे काय नाहीये. करायचं असलं सिरियसली करायचं, एक तर 10:30ला जॉईन व्हायचं, नाही तर 11:30ला जॉईन व्हायचं. 2 टायमिंग आपल्याला, एक तर 10:30 किंवा 11:30. मध्ये येत जा करत राहू नका. लेक्चर सोडून देऊ का? एफ डिव्हिजन
माझं 11:30 लेक्चर आहे.
मी काय करू? झाले का? झालंय का? पुढे जायचं का?
येस सर.
हे 2 एक्झाम्पल होमवर्कला बरं का. वाटलं तर वरचे एक्झाम्पल पण देतो होमवर्कला तुम्हाला. 15:1 इंटिग्रेशन 0 to infinity, सॉरी 0 to 1 x log x ब्रॅकेट रेस टू 4. आपण ब्रॅकेट रेस टू क्यूबचं सॉल्व्ह केले, बरोबर आहे. सो आन्सर इज 24 डिवायडेड बाय, और तुम्ही सॉल्व्ह करा वाटलं तर पुढचं 4 फॅक्टोरियल डिवायडेड बाय 5 रेस टू 5. ओके. 16:1 इंटिग्रेशन 0 to 1 cube root of log of 1 upon x dx. So answer is 1/3 gamma 1/3. Do not calculate the further. 1/3 gamma 1/3. आता ह्या ठिकाणी काय रिप्लेस करणार? 16 मध्ये काय रिप्लेस करणार? 16 मध्ये काय रिप्लेस करणार? डायरेक्टली वी हॅव पुट log of 1 upon x equal to s t. log of 1 upon x equal to t. या ठिकाणी काय रिप्लेस करणार? log x equal to minus t. ओके. ह्या ठिकाणी काय रिप्लेस करणार? 7 raised to x equal to e raised to t, आणि इथं 4 raised to x equal to e raised to t. Just we are replace and we are solve. पुढे जाऊ.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 17:1 evaluate integration 0 to infinity a raised to minus 4x square dx. सोल्यूशन a raised to minus 4x square dx. तर आपल्याला टर्म कशी पाहिजे इंटिग्रेशन 0 to इन्फिनिटी e raised to minus x into x raised to n minus 1 dx आहे. इथे काय आला a raised to minus 4x square आला. तर रिप्लेस काय करणार आहे आपण रिप्लेस काय करणार आपण
4x
हा रिप्लेस काय करणार आपण हॅलो पुढे रिप्लेस I equal to integration 0 to infinity a raised to minus 4x square. सेम मागचे जे एक्झाम्पल आहे ते सेमच आहे ना मागे फक्त a raised to x होतं. सो व्हॉट यू रिप्लेस a raised to put a raised to minus 4x square equal to what e raised to minus t. आपण a raised to x equal to e raised to t पुट केलं कारण डिनॉमिनेटर फॉर्म मध्ये होता. So a raised to minus 4x equal to e raised to minus square. Just take the logarithm on both sides. We got the minus 4x square log a is equal to minus t. Minus minus get cancelled. We have got that x square equal to t upon 4 times log a. T times 4 times log a. So just we got that x equal to what is x equal to square root of t divided by 2 log a raised to 1 by 2. When you take the square root on both sides, so just differentiate what derivative of dx equal to 1 upon 4 root t. बरोबर ना root t चा derivative काय 1 upon 2 root t. This 2 to get into 4 log a square root of log a into dt. Okay, as variable change, limit also changes. What is the limit changes? X to t, 0 to infinity, 0 to infinity. Okay. What do you get the I equal to integration 0 to infinity? Just we have put the each and every value. A raised to something is e raised to minus t. Instead of this dx, what do you replace? Dt by 4 times root t into root log a. Now just simplify I equal to what is the constant? We can take constant outside 4 times 4 log root log a integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus t into t raised to minus 1 by 2. We need to take the outside dt. Now just use the formula gamma n. So what is the n minus 1? N minus 1 equal to minus 1 by 2. So n equal to plus 1 by 2. N equal to plus 1 by 2. So what do you get the I equal to 1 upon 4 times square root of log a into instead of this term, we can write down gamma n is 1 by 2. So we got that I equal to gamma 1 by 2 is root pi. So root pi divided by 4 times root log a, or we just combine this 1 by 4 times square root of pi upon log a. This is your answer.
Sir, next page.
ओके, झालं सगळ्यांचं? हॅलो.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So this we write on the 18 one. Integration 0 to infinity 7 raised to minus 4x square. 7 raised to minus 4x square. So what is the answer? Yes. इसका आंसर क्या आलता रे? A raised to minus 4x square चा आंसर क्या आलता? A raised to
1
minus
upon
4x
4
चा आंसर क्या आलता? Root
1
pi
upon 4 under root pi by log
4 times root pi
divided by log a.
log A. So what is the answer? Log A is 7. This is your answer. Okay, so try at home. Integration 0 to infinity 3 raised to minus 4x square dx. So 1 upon 4 times square root of pi upon log 3. And last one 20. Integration 0 to 1. Just wait. Log x झाले हे log x हे पण झाले x raised to log x raised to 1 by 4. Okay, okay. Last one 21 x cube log 1 upon x bracket raised to 4, and the answer is a 3 upon 128. Okay. This is your answer. So these 3 examples for your hard work. Just do at home. Okay. So this is the end of gamma function. This is the end of gamma function. या ठिकाणी gamma function संपलेला आहे. उद्या आपण one more thing. Yesterday I will give one point to homework. What is that point? What is the gamma minus 1? Yes. What is the gamma minus 1? बरोबर ना, काल दिलते ना, म्हणजे काल म्हणजे आय थिंक शनिवारी. gamma 0 का होता? Gamma 0 का होता? It is infinity. Gamma 0 is infinity. This look like integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus x dx. अशा प्रकारे असेल ना. So gamma 1 equal to gamma minus 1 is also infinity. This look like integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus x raised to minus 1 dx. किंवा नाही x raised to काय रे या ठिकाणी minus 1 ना obviously. n minus 1 equal to minus 1. So x raised to 1 x. नाही इथे x raised to 0 म्हणजे काय कुठे टर्म आलते रे जस्ट आय स्टिल कन्फ्युजिंग that. Why this thing is happened to me. Similarly, gamma minus 2 is also infinity. Gamma minus 3 is also infinity. In general, any natural number, gamma minus n, any natural number minus of that natural number, gamma of minus n is infinity. Just we have to take that natural number. Now the Kaizen mantil, gamma minus 1 by 2 is also infinity. Gamma minus 1 by 4 is also infinity. No, this thing is not happen. Okay, this is not in your syllabus. This we calculate by another way. This we calculate by another way. So this is a note. We are write down this. Is a note to लिहून okay, gamma 0 equal to infinity, gamma minus 1 equal to infinity, gamma minus 2 equal to infinity, gamma minus 3 is equal to infinity. This is useful for online exam. Okay, yesterday my hello.
Yes, sir.
Any problem about the gamma function? Okay, just doing the practice, we got your answer. Thank you for connecting. Thank you.